Kids TV fun and learn.
Did you know flowers are nature's secret superheroes, silently working wonders around us? Yes, these colorful beauties have a superpower. They attract bees and butterflies, ensuring the cycle of life continues. Let's dive into this fascinating world of flower pollination. Ready? Hold on tight. Sunflowers are like bright beacons, calling to bees with their big sunny faces and rich pollen. Lavender's enchanting scent acts like a magnet for butterflies. Imagine fields of fragrant purple teeming with life. Marigolds are a bee's paradise, thanks to their pollen-rich centers. Truly a golden feast. Bees have a sweet spot for honeysuckles. Their nectar is just too irresistible. Butterflies can't resist the vivid clusters of lantanas. It's like a colorful buffet for them. Roses, beyond their beauty, provide a perfect landing pad for our buzzing friends. Without these pollinators, flowers would struggle to reproduce. That's how vital they are. Poppies, with their delicate petals, attract both bees and butterflies. A delicate dance of the pollinators. Daisies are not just pretty faces, they're a favorite for bees looking to gather pollen. The trumpet vine, with its tubular flowers, is perfect for hummingbirds and butterflies alike. Peonies are lush and inviting, a top pick for bees with their ample pollen supply. Clover might seem simple, but its flowers are a busy hive of pollinator activity. Flowers and their pollinators form a symbiotic relationship that is essential to our ecosystem. Fascinating, right? So every time you see a flower, remember, it's a bustling hub of life and activity. That's the magic of flowers and their incredible pollinators, working together seamlessly.
If you find the video useful, please give me one like and one channel subscribe.